Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Brickyard Blocks is probably one of the most versatile and engaging building block sets on the market, offering endless creative possibilities for builders of all ages and skill levels, from crafting intricate castles to constructing complex vehicles and everything in between. This comprehensive review will explore its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. LEGO Classic 10698. Watch them build their own world. It's more than just bricks, it's a chance to create anything they imagine, from houses to scooters. With 790 pieces in 33 colors, the possibilities are endless. It includes special pieces like windows, doors, tires, and wheels to make building even more fun. This set encourages imaginative play. They can build a castle, a figure, or anything else they can dream up. It's hours of creative fun. It's compatible with all other LEGO sets. This means the fun never has to end, they can expand their creations endlessly. The large green baseplates provide a great foundation for building. Plus, the box itself is a convenient storage solution, perfect for home or the classroom. Boys and girls of all ages will love this set. It's the perfect gift to spark their creativity and imagination. What we like. It's a classic building toy with many colors and pieces. If you are looking for a large set to spark creativity and endless building possibilities, this is a great choice for kids of all ages. The various elements, like doors and windows, add to the imaginative play experience. What people say. With such a wide variety of bricks in different shapes, sizes, and colors, the possibilities for building are truly endless. The included storage box is a lifesaver, sturdy, spacious, and perfect for keeping everything organized. There is a great variety of pieces that gives creative options. Number 4. PREXTEX 150-piece building blocks. It's a complete building set with 150 colorful blocks, perfect for sparking imagination and building fun designs. They are big and easy for little hands to grasp. These blocks are designed to work with other major brands, so your child can expand their creations and add variety to playtime. The possibilities are endless. The vibrant colors of these blocks are sure to capture attention and encourage imaginative play. They come in 5 bright colors that are visually appealing to toddlers. Made from sturdy, kid-friendly materials, it's easy to grip and built for active play. They are safe and durable enough to withstand even the most enthusiastic builder. These blocks help develop important motor skills, coordination, and problem-solving abilities. It's a fun and educational toy that supports early learning. What we like. These blocks are compatible with other major brands and are a great jumbo size for little hands. If you have a toddler, these are perfect for developing their motor skills and creativity. The bright colors will capture their attention and encourage imaginative play. What people say. They stick to each other. They stick to name brand Duplo blocks. They stick to the name brand Duplo base. They are pretty indistinguishable from Duplos. My toddler can build a tower taller than she is and it won't collapse. Tons of blocks for unlimited configurations, unlike the name brand that only seems to offer specific themed sets. The larger size is perfect for my 3-year-old. He has no trouble building on his own. Sturdy construction, and they fit perfectly onto the Duplo building mat that I also purchased. I actually mixed them in with LEGO brand and literally could not tell the difference. They feel the same, couple the same, and look the same, even the same sheen. Number 3. STEM Building Blocks Kit. It's a big set, with plenty of blocks, wheels, and connectors for endless building possibilities. Get ready for hours of creative construction. This kit is perfect for encouraging teamwork and collaboration. It's a great way for kids to learn and play together. It helps kids develop their creative thinking, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. Learning has never been so much fun. A booklet is included with 42 different designs, from beginner to advanced levels. There's something for everyone to build and enjoy. It's made with non-toxic materials and is easy to clean. You can rest assured that it's safe for your child to play with. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This set includes many pieces and comes with an idea book for various building projects. If you are looking for an educational and fun building experience, this is a great option. The book provides guidance for builders of all skill levels. What people say. It inspires creativity and imagination. It keeps them entertained for long periods of time and encourages them to tell stories about the creations. They play with them every single day. Perfect for the kiddos that love to build and tinker. My 4-year-old has made so many things with this kit, and so far none of the pieces have broken. Comes in a reusable box that clips closed, easy to throw everything in for a quick cleanup when you're done. The very moment we opened it, they eagerly jumped into playtime, engrossed for a full 2 hours of sheer joy. It's fascinating to watch our 4- and 9-year-olds wholeheartedly embrace the experience of constructing all the diverse creations outlined in the guide, and even more so as they unleash their imaginations to build their very own masterpieces. Number 2. NXONE STEM Building Blocks. This toy set sparks imagination and creativity. It's perfect for building all sorts of amazing things. With 195 colorful pieces, a handy storage box, and an electric drill, it offers endless building possibilities. It's great for individual or group play. It's more than just a toy, it's a tool for learning. It helps develop STEM skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving abilities. Made with child-safe materials, it's free of harmful substances like phthalates, lead, cadmium, and BPA. It's designed with smooth edges for safe play. The upgraded electric drill makes building easier and more fun. The included instruction booklet provides ideas and inspiration for building various models. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's durable, engaging, and provides hours of fun for kids aged 3 and up. What we like. It comes with an electric drill and a storage box, making it extra fun and organized. If you're looking for a STEM-focused toy that enhances learning through play, this set is a great choice. The drill adds an extra element of engagement for kids. Number 1. Strictly Briks Big Briks. It's 100% compatible with all major brands. Let your child's creativity run wild as they build unique designs with these affordable and durable blocks. It boosts your child's imagination, hand-eye coordination, and mental growth. Watch them learn through play, building epic towers and structures. Made from high-quality materials, they are sturdy and reliable. Unlike flimsy blocks, these won't bend under pressure. Explore the extensive range of building sets that fuel endless imagination and fun. There's something for everyone, promising years of joyful playtime. This vibrant 84-piece set includes big bricks in blue, green, red, and yellow. Perfect for kids aged 3 and up, they can build anything their imagination dreams up. What we like. These blocks are compatible with other major brands and are built to last. If you want durable and colorful blocks for building, this is a great option. The vibrant colors will inspire creativity and the compatibility allows for expansion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.